there a large gay clientele here or something? Why would Clayton go around saying stuff like that? Actually, I don't know. See, I'm like, well, he must have, I think he was doing drugs or drinking or shooting up or had sexual perversions or. He's a very strange guy. Everything he says seems to have subtle inferences. A reference to the gay community. I'm like, why would he be like that in a psychiatric smiley or setting? I mean, from my point of view, it doesn't matter. If he's so professant about it, it really kind of offends me. You know, nothing offends me more than homosexuality because the thing about that is he's too subtle. If somebody calls me an ass, he's too subtle about it to really notice. Like if I were going to be gay, I'd be acting like this. It's like 1 and 1 is equal. I like to drink coffee, eat bean burritos, and jog in the Cheeseman. All that's kind of subtle, and you can't really pick up on it. But with Clayton, he's always like that, and it just kind of annoys me. But you can't really do anything about it. He has the right to express himself sexually anyway, as long as he's, civilly respectful about it. When he goes around saying all that stuff, then he calls me an ass. He says, well, that's how you behave. You behave like an ass. I'm like, well, that's really not very nice. He's like, you act like the way you are. And I was like, well, are you making advances upon me or trying to heckle me? Or? I don't know, but I can say that if he works here again, I think that is fine. Tell him you don't appreciate that. Oh, you don't appreciate that he watches, the names he calls, everybody, and that... Oh, it's too late for that. I called Steve Ballmer, and I'm about to call the police or a lawyer on him. Well, I think that's about a public defender. Right. Because they can always help you. Yeah. Yeah, people like that, they'll try to touch you, place your water glass upside down, and get you to pour the water. Like the guy Eric's gay, too. Who worked last night. He has the same problems Clayton does. It's sort of very inappropriate mannerisms. Kind of like the way you don't pass gas in Arabic restaurants or make comments about the Viet Cong in Korean restaurants or use the angle of 45 degrees in Jewish salad bars. I mean, just stuff like that is just very clinically and ethnoculturally inappropriate. It really kind of bothers me to see Clayton and Eric going around doing this to people. I mean, they have the right to express themselves. They don't have the right to try to con other people into thinking that the other people are gay. I mean, a lot of homosexuals are like that, but, I mean, you have to draw the line somewhere where you say these people are really more or less encroaching upon the boundaries and sexual etiquette of their victims. And these are the kind of people that will fondle you in your sleep and rub you against you in public. It's just pretty bad. It's not good being around people like that. And I worked in a bar for a long time, so I'm familiar with how these people act and how to deal with them. I mean, from my point of view, you don't confront them, Debbie. You just leave them alone. You work through the legal channels and let the police deal with it. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I think Clayton's gonna show up here. These homosexuals is gonna bother me. I don't know what to say. They're problematic. These people kept trying to make passes at me. Hey man, what's your name? And that guy just hits his pants on me. He snuck up behind me. Did you see that guy just did that? He came up like this, then he went like this. Yeah, he did. It's on the camera. Maybe his pants falling down. But he made eye contact with me and didn't. Technically, like I said, this is another subtle insinuation by the gay community. It didn't really bother me. They have the right to express themselves. But they don't have the right to try to touch me, fondle me, molest me in my sleep, make strange artificial rules which are enforced by no one else but them, against no one else but me. Like, there's bad people, Debbie. Bad. I don't really care much for the gay community. They're always trying to con me into touching them. I was
just going to talk to you about my new medication.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah, those people are just trouble. I'm gonna stay away from them. That's what you learn at the bars. You learn to just stay away from typical gay people, and just.
Let me finish this phone call and try to get this thing.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Debbie over at the Lincoln House for the mental health center.
What are you using it for?
Staff next door.
Oh, David House?
Got, a prescription for AMOS and capital CR. So they gave me I don't know, I have a prescription number. Four.
Yeah, homosexual is very inappropriate. Nothing wrong with gay guys come on. A lot of people don't like them anyway. Like I said, there's a boundary between professional conduct and professional misconduct. Oh, Debbie, there's a guy here for you.
Be done, and I'll talk to him.
Okay, thanks, guy.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, let's talk to John here for a minute, and then I'll talk to you some more, okay?
Yeah, those gay guys are hard to deal with.
Yeah, well.
There's always making passes at you, leaving their hands, and it really offends me. I mean, I have no rights because they don't have any rights, but it doesn't mean I go around trying to make them mad. A lot of them just lie and tell you they're married, but that's not going to happen.